Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. It is Thursday, October 21st. It is about 4:30 p.m., so it is a bit later. I just got back from taking Ozzy to the lake. Aspen is at daycare. She got dropped off at 7 this morning. So I have been designing all day, working on some stuff on the website, new releases for stickers, as well as Ozzy, new shirt designs. But I just got in a big box of shirts and some more HTV. So I want to go ahead and get started on shirt orders. This is not all of the shirts. The way that I order things, I order from one supplier, but they have different warehouses all across the country, so not everything ships from the same warehouse. Luckily for me, there is a massive warehouse in Georgia, which is where I would say 80% of my stuff comes from. So I've got a lot of stuff in this box. So I am going to go ahead and get started pressing all of these. I've got about 3 hours before Colby gets home and he picks Aspen back up from daycare. So I've got peace and quiet because Ozzy just went on a 3-mile walk. So he should be good to take a little nap. But the first thing I wanted to do is adjust the way that this office is set up for shirts. So I have this desk that I'm currently sitting at. This has got a computer and then stuff. And then, whoop, we've got this standing desk, which is where I press the shirts. So I have been cutting vinyl over here and then pressing, but I can't be cutting vinyl and pressing a shirt at the same time because of the way that I lay things out and measure. I'm very, very particular about that. I've noticed in a lot of like TikToks and things that I'm seeing, the way that people do t-shirts, like they take this tiny ruler and just put it on the collar and do it. I mean, you guys have seen me do it if you watch these videos. I actually make sure that I'm measuring from both sides of like where the seam on the arm is and everything to make sure it's actually proper, because sometimes the way that collar lays, it doesn't match up right. So I don't know if there's something that I'm doing that's not working, but either way, I use that entire table to center one t-shirt before I press it because I've got that big ruler. Sometimes the shirts take up that much space. So I want to move the cutting machine over here. And like I said, I'm not really using this area right now. I've just got stuff here for the most part. So that is the first thing that I want to do. Second, I am going to be putting some freebies into the shirt orders. So I need to get those design files done. I don't actually package here anymore. I was doing that for a bit, bringing the Dymo back and forth. But if you watched last week's vlog, you would see that the Dymo is just not having it. So I instead have been pressing the shirts, putting them into their cello bags, putting them into their shipping bags. I was weighing them here, writing it. If you've ordered a shirt, you may have had a number at the top, writing what it weighed and then printing the labels at Mom's. Okay, so that was the second to last time. The last time I didn't even bother with that because now the scale is at Mom's. I could buy another scale, but it doesn't make sense. So I just put them all into a bag, package everything, and just don't seal it. And then when I get to Mom's, pull the invoice out, pull it up in ShipStation, weigh it, print the label, go from there. So that's how things are being done. But yeah, let's rearrange the office first. And then, oh my God, I'm dropping everything. And then I'm going to, I just got so distracted because I've not seen this. I mean, maybe I have. This is a Bella Canvas book of all the stuff they offer. And me sitting here looking at it, I'm like, oh my God, look at this. Look at that tie-dye. Anyway, I'm gonna rearrange the office, press some shirts. I need to open up the HTV. I need to section out the shirts that just came in this box. And then, yeah, let's just do that. That's what I'm gonna do for the vlog this week. I wanna make a TikTok, a couple of TikToks, because I've got the Merry Christmas, Merry Chrysler, the Christine saying. Bianca really wanted that one, and then I was also like, oh my God, yes, I have to have that. So I want to make a TikTok using that sound, hoping it's there. And then I wanted to do one for just a couple of other shirts because I don't feel like I've really been making any. So yeah, okay, this is a very rambly intro. I apologize. Let's get to it. Okay, so I just changed my mind. This is the box of shirts. Colby and I have gone through and checked them. I was going to do what I did last time and kind of fold them all up and put them into the container, but I did not order any extras in this box, I don't believe. So instead of going through all of that, which is time consuming, then to just immediately pull them back off, I'm gonna leave them in the box and then I'm going to pull them as I need them. I also wanted to show you guys this. So when I press things, I like to use, this is like essentially a pressing pillow. The one that I had was Cricut and I ended up burning through it. I don't believe that they're intended for the kind of heat, or at least that one was intended for the kind of heat that I was putting on it. This is Nikapa, which is a brand of cutting mat that I've used before. And it was on Amazon, so I thought I would try it, and it's literally just foam. And the reason that I like to use these, I find that having this in the shirt when I go to measure, like I can make sure the seams are going the right way. And then when it goes to press, sometimes you can get a box, like a mark on your shirts. It's more so if they're a higher polyester count, but you can still sometimes get it. And I find that this helps to not create that. So I just like to use it. It's not necessary, I don't think, but I picked this up, so we're gonna try this one today. I believe I did already throw my other one out, so if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna be doing it without it. I do find that the colors that I've been using, I've not really been having that issue with the marks. That's more of a sublimation thing. But just in case, and I do prefer it for measuring because it gets everything, you know, nice and where it should be. If you just lay a shirt on a table, that's another reason I don't get that other ruler thing. If you just lay the shirt on the table, it can be like not perfectly laid there, if that makes any sense. I do know people also fold their shirts in half, press them. I can't stand that. It's not for me because I feel like I cannot get it perfect. So I prefer this, and then measuring at the arms as well as on the collar. So I've got that. You guys saw I put my portrait over here. The only issue I have now is this computer is here, and I have all of these designs on my laptop. I do have everything in iCloud, so I may move it over. I've not decided yet, but I do need to clean off the shirts that I've got for, like, I can't talk, common theme. I keep these shirts that I do those on for myself, mostly just because I want them. If we're being honest, I don't really need a test shirt. But I do like to get test material almost. I like to be able to see that the color is gonna look the way I want it to. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now, pick list. From that pick list, I'm gonna go ahead and just start cutting and weeding vinyl and have it, I'm gonna clean this area off really quickly, but then have it just kind of separated so that I can then go through and start to pull shirt orders. I do have a stack of invoices. So yeah, let's see how much we can get done before Colby gets home. guys, it is now Monday, and I wanted to not upload this. Oh God, Aspen. I wanted to not upload this vlog yet because oh my God, it's not Monday, it's Friday. It's Friday. Anyway, wow. I wanted to not upload yet because the new heat press was coming today, and I was gonna put in us setting it up. I've got a new heat press here. I've got a new ruler here, and then these are just some extra shirts that came in. So, Ozzy? So Colby just moved the original one. This new one weighs a lot, so it's gonna take both of us to get it set up, but just letting you guys know what's going on, and we're gonna go ahead and try to get it all set up. Okay guys, here it is. It is massive. I'll show you next to the old one. There's the old one. Here's the new one. So it has the shocks and this so that it doesn't just fly up. It goes up slow. Are you kidding? Oh my God. Anyway, and then it's a pull out so I don't burn my hands. So I am going to read the book really quick, figure out how to set everything up. And then this is all a mess because we just unpacked everything. So I also got, this is the ruler that I have been using, and I wanted something that had like more smaller measurements on it. So this is what, let me see. This is what I picked up for that. You guys can see it has like a graph and all of the mini measurements. So that's good. And then I've got a couple of bags of shirts to undo there. Hi guys, and happy Halloween. It is Sunday. We just got back home. We went to get groceries, and we didn't get groceries, but we did get costumes for the dogs. So we're not doing anything, and we weren't gonna get costumes for the dogs, but then I thought, how fun would it be to walk them at the lake with costumes on? So we got costumes. How excited are you?
I'm extremely excited.
So we're gonna put them on them now. Aspen has never had clothes put on her, so I don't know how she's gonna do, and I know that Ozzy is gonna hate this. So we're gonna get them dressed, and then I will show you guys. So this is Aspen's costume. We can't put her feet on because it's a little bit tight. We don't want her to be super uncomfortable. Are you Minion, baby girl? Are you Minion? Oh, so this is Aspen's a little minion. Cute. How do you feel about it? Hey, Bub, you're gonna be Batman. Are you excited? No, come here, be excited. It's okay. Oh yeah. I know you're upset. Yours isn't as intense, Ozzy. It's really just a shirt. Hang on. There. Let's do it like that. I know you're mad. Wow. I'm glad we got you a large, Bubba. Are you Batman, honey? You gonna wear the hat?
No.
Aspen's not moving. She's not. It's like she's stuck. Are you excited? Look! Look, it's Batman!
Not a chance.
Oh, I bet he will, actually, because it's not like a... Look at your cape! Look! Are you Batman, honey? Are you Batman? Okay, well, neither one of them is happy, but we're gonna attempt to walk them and see what happens. More than likely, the costumes are gonna probably have to come off pretty quick, but hopefully they'll keep them on for a minute. Aspen is just not, oh. Anyway, I'll try to get some cute pictures of them, and if I am able to, I will insert them here. So we've made some adjustments to the costumes so that they are a little bit more comfortable. I cut the legs off of the back of hers, and she's just gonna wear it kind of like a cape instead of having her arms through this. Ozzy doesn't really hate his other than the hat piece, and then she's not gonna keep that thing on her head, so it's just kind of back here. But we are going to take them to the lake now. The lake? You wanna go to the lake? You wanna go to the lake? Yeah? To the lake? Do you want to go to the lake? Anyway, so we are going to take them to the lake and walk them around in their costumes. I think they should both be okay since they've been changed.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Okay guys, we are back. I don't know if I updated or not, but the dogs, we cut the arms off of the costumes so that they could walk. It took them, they had a good time. We actually took the costumes off once we got into the dog park. We ended up going there instead of the lake. But now we're just getting some cleaning done, and then we're gonna watch some scary movies, and that's it. That's our Halloween. So I am playing Animal Crossing, so I did take a minute to go through and start getting some of that stuff. And when we sit down to do the movie, I'm probably gonna do a little bit more of that. But did you wanna say something?
Happy Halloween.
Anyway,
Stay safe.
I am going to go ahead and finish cleaning, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys. Say bye, Oz.